The right tools can make your gardening chores easier, and maybe faster, too. There are a variety of gardening tools that can help with digging, weeding, planting, and more. Every gardener needs a high-quality spade, shovel, rake, hand trowel, pruners, and loppers, says Tom Hughes, owner of Iowa-based Hughes Nursery and Landscape. Of course, the best gardening tools for you might be different than the best gardening tools for your neighbor. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 gardening tools on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Felco F206870 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. There are several different types of garden shears available, but bypass pruners are probably the most useful for daily gardening tasks. When it comes to these hard-working bypass pruners, Felco seems to have carefully thought through every detail of the design to ensure many years of use, making the pruners worth the price. With a 1-inch cutting capacity, these shears are great for trimming rose bushes and woody perennials. The anvil blade features a sap groove to prevent sticking. The cutting blade with a soft wire cutter is replaceable if needed, ensuring you can keep using these bypass pruners long into the future. The bolt and nut are easily adjustable so you can customize blade alignment if you wish. Forged aluminum handles are strong but lightweight. They're covered with a red plastic coating to add comfort and help make sure you don't lose the pruners in the garden. Number 2. Briggs & Stratton 8BS25 Garden Hose. The best garden hoses can stand up to being dragged all around your yard, especially for those hot, dry days of summer when you need to water frequently. We tested this garden hose in our testing lab in Des Moines, Iowa, and it was one of our favorites. The hose will stay flexible even in very cold temps, down -25 degrees Fahrenheit, and can even be used with hot water. It's designed to resist kinks and coils easily, so you don't have to fight with your water hose as you move it across your yard. The couplings at the end of the hose are billed as crush-proof, and the hose is also available in 50, 75, and 100-foot lengths. During our testing, we found it to be very easy to use, as it was fairly lightweight even when filled with water. It earned high marks for durability, too. It held up well to being dragged across rocks, a rake, and grass. Number 3. Scuttles Gardening Tools, Gifts for Women. This collection of hand gardening tools makes a great gift for any beginning gardener, or for yourself. It includes a pair of gardening gloves, a hand trowel, a digging fork, a transplanting tool with a sharp point, a small weeder, a hand cultivator, to loosen and aerate the soil before planting, and an 8-ounce spray bottle to mist seedlings and container-grown plants. The included storage tote features a separate pocket for each tool so you can easily grab what you need, as well as space inside for a water bottle or any other gardening tools or supplies you want to carry around the garden with you. The set is stylish enough to make a good gift, yet very practical too. The tools are made of high-quality wood and anti-rust-coated steel. The handles feature an ergonomic design to help prevent your hands from getting tired as you work. The bag includes elastic straps above each pocket to help hold the tools securely. Number 4. Abco Tech Garden Stool and Kneeler. We always love it when we can get 2 products for the price of one, like this garden stool that can be used as a bench or a kneeler. The EVA foam padding offers plenty of cushion for your knees and makes it comfortable for sitting as well. A steel frame ensures the bench is sturdy enough to hold up to 300 pounds. As an added safety feature, you can hold on to the handles on the sides to help you kneel or lower into the seat and stand back up if needed. We love the fact that at just 6.7 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry with you throughout your garden. Plus, it can be folded flat, making it even easier to carry and store once your gardening chores are done. As a bonus, this multifunctional bench also features a tool pouch that can hold a pair of hand pruners and a gardening spade. Number 5. Xflower 1.5-gallon green watering can. This watering can feature a stylish design, plus a lot of great features that make watering your flowers, vegetables, and containers easier. Made of lightweight but sturdy plastic, this watering can hold about 1.5 gallons of water. It features 2 handles so that you can use 2 hands to pour the water if the watering can is too heavy when full, a handy feature for kids as well as older adults. The spout swivels 360 degrees to allow you to choose just the right spray for your needs. Rotate the sprinkler head up for a gentle shower, rotate it down for a harder spray, or remove the sprinkler head for a stream of water. The top opening for water is large enough to easily add water, but small enough to prevent a lot of splashing when moving it around. A cap on top also helps prevent splashing and keeps critters out of the watering can when it's not in use. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.